How to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable and use voice chat on Roblox Mobile step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, you need to make sure three things. First is that you need to be 13 years or older than that. Second is you have to be the Roblox mobile app updated to the latest version. And third is you should verify your email and phone number on Roblox Mobile. And here, voice chat will only be available for the accounts that meet these three requirements. And with that, you simply have to open the Roblox app on your phone. And now, here, once you're inside it, you simply have to tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, you simply have to tap on privacy and content restriction. And now here, once you are inside this section, then you simply have to tap on communication. And now here inside the communication, there you can see the option labeled as voice chat. So simply tap on it, and here if the enable microphone option is toggled off, simply toggle it on and tap it to speak or mute yourself during the game. And here only enable voice chat with trusted friends. You can always mute other players or turn off voice chat in settings as well. And that's it. That's how you can get and use voice chat on Roblox Mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.